Welcome to a morning in our new family of 5. Jenny is the newest member of our family, and she is so sweet. Things have really, obviously changed with a newborn, so I wanted to share kind of like a realistic day or morning in the life. We wake up and I usually nurse Jenny in bed. Right now she's still in our room, but I think she's about to go into her room because she is growing out of that bassinet so quickly. I usually put Jenny down in this cute little rocker, and she's always so content to sit and hang out while I make something delicious for the kids for breakfast before they go to school. Whoa, thumbs up, brown bear. I'm gonna make a smoothie. You want some? And today we have a sponsor of Daily Harvest, so I am actually making them these delicious smoothies. The kids are obsessed. Daily Harvest food is grown and not engineered, so there's no mystery ingredients. It's really just fruit and vegetables, and they are shipped directly to you and frozen for a reason. All the nutrients and the flavors and all the things in these different ingredients are locked in and sealed when it's frozen, so they're fresh when you actually use them and taste delicious. You ready, Sawyer?
Can I help you make smoothies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Some of these are actually high protein, like the tropical greens has 20 grams of protein, so depending on the ones that you pick. This one is the strawberry and peach smoothie. It's one of my kids' favorites. You put your favorite milk in the actual cups that they send you. You fill it to the top, and it adds the perfect amount of liquid. Blend it up, and it actually comes with a lid. So once the blending is done, you pour it back into the cup that they sent, pop on the lid that it came with, and put a straw in, and there you go. Now, of course, my kids wanted to try mine, and they also wanted me to split it into their own special cups. It's all about having the right color. You guys can use my code Sharrah15 for 15% off your first box of $100 or more, and try it out yourself. While they get ready for school, I actually usually take Jenny in, and I might give you guys like a full nap schedule video one day. This is her morning nap, so I usually change her diaper, rock her a little bit, and then lay her down for her nap. This is her 8 a.m. or 8:30 nap, and when that happens, I take a second to take a shower and get ready for the day. Put my contacts in, do a little spritz, add some life to my face, curl the lashes, and of course add some gloss. That's like my go-to mom makeup. It takes 5 minutes and it's very fast. Now the big kids are off to school. I am ready for the day, and I usually love to try to start my mornings just having my quiet time with my Bible and my journal. Our house is like so dreamy out here on the porch. You guys, I've shown you this lots, but especially right now where it's cooling off and the temperatures are dropping and the leaves are all turning. It's just like the best way to start my morning, to sit out here by myself and enjoy the peace and quiet. I'll just let you guys experience it for a minute. It really is the dreamiest thing ever. I forgot my coffee inside, so I ran to go get it. But one thing that I have found being a mom of 3 now, I feel like it's really important to like center yourself in the morning if you can. My faith and honestly my reliance on the Lord to get through some really hard mornings where the kids are all being wild and crazy. Jenny's really the easy one. It's the boys that just get wild and crazy and wrestle and scream and yell. I need that peace in the morning, and I also need that prayer time to like center myself, get my mind right, and have that special one-on-one time with the Lord. That way I can be the best mom and wife and like honestly have the energy to go about my day. And there you go. That is a typical morning routine for us as a family of 5. I'm loving our morning routines right now. I am a schedule person when it comes to nap schedules, and I feel like that gives me some really good quiet time when the kids leave and I have some time to myself. I'm just loving our mornings these days, especially before it gets freezing cold and all the leaves fall off the trees. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye. You did so good.
Scouchy.